Let's get out our writing intentions. Today's date is 10-13. And today, as a writer, I am working on creating a cover page for my story. Once you have finished publishing your story, you now get to make a cover for your story. Writers, to make a cover for your story, what do you think we need? Turn and talk with your partner. Looking at these examples of a cover page for stories, I notice that they have a title, and I also notice that the author is also written on their story page. Looking at the cover page, I also see pictures, and they're not just black and white, it's the whole page is covered with a picture. As we now get to create our own cover page, we need to make sure we have a title. We also need to make sure we have the author's name, so your name, who wrote the story. Make sure you add colors and pictures and details however you want to make your cover. Remember, this is your final piece to your story, so we want to make sure that it looks very neat, colorful, and that somebody would really be drawn to reading your story. Here are some examples of what students have done before for their title page or their cover page. What are you noticing about these? How do you feel about these? Are these good cover pages? Turn and talk with your partner. Your job today, writers, is to finish publishing your story first. After you finish publishing your story, you are going to reread your story to make sure you didn't miss anything. Make sure you have no spelling errors, your paragraphs are indented, you have periods at the end of your sentences, and your beginning of your sentence starts with a capital letter. When you have finished rereading your story, you may then grab a blank sheet of paper that we have for you to create your cover page for your story. Just a reminder, for your cover page, you need a title, who it's by, and a colorful picture. Are there any questions?